Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to English class. So, how was your paper, dear students? Was it good? Very good. I hope you all have done your exam very well and get good marks. Let me see who will score out of all. Okay? Yes, dear students. So, by that we completed our FA1 examination with 2 chapters. So next we are moving on to the next poem. Okay. So before moving to the poem, dear students, tell me that to travel, how do you go? So you go to school by walk or you go to school by bus, vehicle, by your own car, right? School bus, government bus, bicycle. You take this much of vehicles, only one vehicle, not all together, right? You will take one of the vehicle and then go to school. Yes. And tell me, dear students, what all the things you carry to school? You carry bag, okay, books, geometry box, water bottle and tiffin box. You will be very excited. See, however, you know that it's really you will be very excited to come to school. Once when the government says the schools are open to all from 1st to 10th standard, then all the children will be in very excited, and they will, I think most of the students will not sleep that day night because they will be very happy to see their friends, teachers, big school, their school. Okay, because you would have missed it, right? Have you missed it or not? No. Yes, you all missed us, your friends, your classrooms, your playgrounds, your library. Everything is missed. Once the school starts, you will be very happy, right? So what you will do? If tomorrow, if the school is started tomorrow, then today you will tell your father, Papa, I don't know, I want a new bag, new shoes, new clips, new hairband, and new geometry box, new pencil, mender, sharpener, everything new. You will order your father and mother that you have to get new one to you, right? Yes, you will feel very happy. Okay. So, coming to the point is, why I am telling you this is, you all know that you carries only that much of things to the school, right? With beautiful pencils, having doll shaped pencils, doll face, something and all, very creative, right? You will carry all these things by wearing neat uniform, ironed uniform. Then you will enjoy a lot. Students, here is a poem. Okay. There is a girl who is very excited to go to school. Okay. Let us see. You all carry same like books, as I said, tiffin box, water bottle, geometry box, everything. Let me tell you what all the things this girl carries in a poem. Got it? So as you all know that, before moving to the poem, let us discuss few words and its meanings. Dear students, so as I said, name of our poem is The First Day of School. What is the name? The First Day of School. So this is the third poem that you have, not third poem. In unit 1, you have 2 chapters and 1 poem. So that is the poem. Okay, let us see the first word. Pouch. What is the meaning of pouch? A pouch means small bag to keep pencil, eraser, etc. A small bag which you can keep your pencil, eraser, scale, okay, sharpener, which you can keep that all the things is called as pouch. And you can tell that it has also a geometry box. Okay. Lovely is nothing but beautiful. So when you see your dad getting a beautiful bag, okay, what do you say? Beautiful, lovely, wow, you say, right? Yes. Uniform. What is uniform, dear students? Dress students wear to school. So, dress students wear to school. So, you know that uniform. You have your uniform, right? You wear to school. You are not supposed to wear color dress. When it is like birthday, you have chance to wear color dress. And children's day you can wear color dress. But leaving this, you cannot wear color dress and come to school. You are not supposed to wear also, right? The thing which you wear to school is called as uniform. You can see there are different states in Karnataka, right? And in Dharwad and Hubli, you can see there are number of schools. Number of schools and different types of uniform also. Your uniform will be totally different from other school uniform. Right? Yes, that is uniform, dear students. Filled with is nothing but full of. Your water bottle is full of. Full of ಅಂದ್ರೆ full ತುಂಬಿಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು. That is called as filled with. Okay, let me read once again. Pouch, small bag to keep pencil, eraser, etc. Lovely, beautiful, uniform. Dress students wear to school. Filled with is nothing but full of. You are happy? Did you understand what I am telling? Yes. So these are the words that you have to read down. Now coming to the poem, that is the first day of school. I'll just read out the whole poem once and then we'll explain to you, dear students. Okay. So what you have is the first day of school. Dear students, before that, see, is it important to know where we need to go and to take the correct route to reach there? You must know, right? You must know the correct route to reach where you want to go. Alva? See, we'll be telling that. In life, you have to keep a goal. If you keep a goal, then you will struggle to reach the goal. Goal ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is the meaning of goal? Goal ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬದುಕಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? See, I want to become a singer, or I want to become a doctor, or I want to become a IAS officer, KAS officer, or else I want to become the President of India. Right? If you keep such aim, ಗುರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ, you will struggle to do that. If you want to become doctor, engineer, what do you have to do? You all have to waste your time. You should not read at all. You should not struggle. That are the things you have to do. No. You doctor ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you have to struggle. Lot. If you keep on reading from now on, you will reach there. So, that is the thing. Okay. So, it is important to know where we need to go and take the correct route to reach there. Okay. See, this is how, that is jump and start. Dear students, now moving on to the poem, that is the first day of school. Hey dear students, how will your bag be? With a figure of girl or a puppy, cat, something might be written on that. Colorful bags, right? And your water bottle, wow, cutie water bottle will be very, very nice, filled with flowers, filled with stickers, right? And your lunch box, yummy thing will be there in the lunch box. Your mama will prepare you a beautiful, like tastiest yummy thing, recipe, that is might be something sandwiches, might be anything which you like most. Your mama will prepare you that and give it to the lunch. So now we'll move on to the poem. Here is my school bag. Here are my books. Here is my pencil pouch. How lovely it looks. Here is my uniform. Here are my shoes. Here is my bottle filled with orange juice. Here is my snack box full of cookies, crunch. Oh, my lunch box is empty. Dad forgot to pack my lunch. So this is the poem. That is the first day of school. Dear students, see, as I told before, if there is school tomorrow, okay, after 2 years, the school is reopening tomorrow to you all, and we welcome you all tomorrow to school. You will be excited and waiting. Some students will be there, like they will forget where the books kept, and they will see the students will be there like this also. They will have not written the homework only. Okay, they have not written at all, and they'll start and writing it tonight, and all overnight they'll be writing. And some students will be there that they doesn't like to come to school only. They like to enjoy and sit at house itself. Right? Different types of people will be there. Students also will be there. Yes. So dear students, as I said, this type of students also will be there. So now let us read the poem and I'll explain you one by one, like each para. Here is my school bag. Here are my books. Here is my pencil pouch. How lovely it looks. So, here is my school bag. You kept your bag, everything ready now. Okay? And you will be telling that here is my school bag. And here are my books. School ge hogbekantandre, you all have to keep your things ready. And you all have to keep your things ready, and that books, pencil, everything should be kept in your bag itself. Right? You have to keep it in bag and pack it off. So, naale belige kelsa ಒಂದು ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That is, packing bag is completed. Right? So, she is telling that my bag is here only and books are here. My pencil pouch. What I've told? Pencil pouch. See, your pouch, like which you carry pencil, geometry, so not geometry. See, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, right? These things will be there. That thing will be kept in a pouch. So it's also ready there. So what is ready now? This is also ready. So how it is looking now? It looks lovely. Lovely means beautiful. So half the work is done now. You will be very very happy. How is it looking? Yes, it is looking lovely. So see the school bag here. Yes. Here is the school bag, right? There is this. Do you have the picture? You have the picture like this? No. Ma'am, we have Very beautiful bags, ma'am. I don't have like this, but than this I have such a beautiful bags, ma'am. You're telling me? Very good. So keep ready. We don't know when the government tells students you can come to school, then keep everything ready. Hurry up to school, dear students. So this is how the girl is carrying her bag. Okay. So next, what is the thing next you are carrying? Books is ready. To write, pencil, eraser, everything is ready. Next thing. See, in schools, you have lunch break. Before that, you have any break? You have? Yes, that is called short break. Short break is nothing but the thing like you can have your biscuits. Okay, mama will be packed something specially, as I said. So that thing you can have biscuits, fruits, juice. That all can be eaten. That all you can have in the short break itself. Okay, whereas coming to the next big bell, that is lunch bell. In lunch, your mama will be keeping you chapatis, dosas, idlis, right items. That all the things will be there. That you have to eat in lunch break. You cannot have this in short break because you will not be having much time to eat these all things, right? Like this chapati, dosas, everything. Whereas in short break, you will be having fruit, juices. Very special thing you will be having. Different type of chocolates, wafers. Yes. So, coming to the next thing is, here is my uniform. Hey, so however students, the bag is ready and pouch is also ready. Coming to the next thing. What is it? You need something very important to school. That is uniform. People recognize you with the uniform itself. When they see you by wearing blue uniforms, I'm just telling you, they will tell these are government students, government school students, they will tell. Right? Yes. See, and you know, dear students, you will be having the names. So you will be having the name of the school here printed. So by seeing that also they recognize you. Okay. So next thing is important thing is what? You all have to wear uniform. So her uniform is also ready, dear students. You all kept your uniform clean. Ma'am, we don't know where we kept, ma'am. Ma'am, I also don't know, ma'am. I have to ask my mother. If she gives me, I'll wear, ma'am. Or else I will wear color dress, appa. This is the way you say. This is the thing you are telling me. You should keep your uniform, everything neat, clean. Okay. See, her uniform is ready now. Here are my shoes. Shoes. You have to wear shoes to the school. Yes. Shoes is very important. Without shoe, you cannot come to school only, right? By wearing slippers, if you come, you will be punished. Dear students, when I was studying, in our school, we used to daily, we used to iron our clothes. Okay, we have to iron the clothes and then only wear the uniform. Without iron, our principal, like PET master he used to not to allow us into the field itself. Like in the gate. Okay. Uniform should be very clean and iron. And if Monday comes, all the nails has to be cut. If there is nails in a hand, see what will happen? They will beat, like our sir used to beat us on knuckle here. And we used to wear 2 ponytails like this. and we used to fold this. We should not wear single ponytail also like this. We have to wear two side juttu antivi gottala nimge, jade hakodu hinge. We used to fold like this, and we have to put a tape should be matching to the school uniform, and we have to go. And we are not supposed to wear chappals. If we wear chappals, they used to beat us. They used to give us punishment that we have to run 10 to 20 times. That whole field we used to run. Okay, very very bad punishments we used to get. Okay, but you all are lucky now. You are lucky that you can wear. But whereas in other schools they are not allowed. So her shoe is also ready. See how she kept all the things ready, because she is going tomorrow to school. So all the things one day before only she is getting ready with these things. Here is my bottle filled with orange juice. As I said, she carried what? Orange juice. Orange juice. You love to have orange juice. Maza. Yes. You all like to have mazas. Yes. So you will enjoy. You can have all the things in the short break or lunch time. Dear students, you all are okay? Yes. So there is one more para left out. I will be teaching you that in the next class. Until that, dear students, I want you to write down, that is, see what all the things you carry to school. You have to write down the 5 items. So what do you carry to school? ಏನೇನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ you have to write only 5 words and you have to submit. That is your homework. Got it? So what is your homework? You have to write down what all the things you carry to school. That you should write 5 words. Okay? Well then, dear students, we'll meet in the next class and continue the poem. Thank you.